Hello everyone, welcome to our videos. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a 30 called the food mixers. And let me give you the overall sizes first. The unit depth is about like 18.5 inches. And the length of the units overall will be 16 inches. And the height of the units, they are about like 33 inches tall. So as we can see the units on side of it, on the side we can see the ETL sanitation stickers and also having the cut sheets informations. The units using the 110s and the power switches right here, emergency stops, and also they do having the gear switch. You can just pull it up. And at the front we can see the units. They coming with the grinder hooks, and this cover you can remove it and buy the grinders to attach on this machine. And when we see the bottoms on the side, we can see they're having a lift and up to equip the bowl right here. And also behind of the units, they coming with a standard 110 plugs from the manufacturers. So for these products, they come in with 3 cans of the hooks, and they also the side of the units, the bowl, they have a security locks. You can pull it up and to remove the bowl and clean or anything you want to do with it. So let me give you the dimensions. We can take a look closer to see the bowl sizes. The diameter of this bowl, they are about like almost like 13 and 3/4 inches. And the depth of it about like 30.5 inches. And for the cover, we're having slide holders on this side. You can move it, open and close. This will be all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.